Turbo turn-up time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo turn-up time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo turn-up time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now.
What's up, YouTube? It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. We're doing it all live. If we're going out, we're going to go out live, right? We're going to stick with what we know, or dance with who brought you to the party. We're going to stick with StreamYard. We're going to ride it all the way out, right? No reason to keep playing around, keep trying to make it work, whatever. If it works, cool. If it doesn't work, I don't even care. What is up, Roaring Toady? We're doing it all live. Thanks for your support. Thanks for making the videos. Thanks for keeping it going. Good morning from Europe, and congratulate to the entire Turbo Toad community for the Coinbase spot listing. And yes, you guys are the main reason it's here. Your due diligence, you kept pushing, kept making the memes, kept the community going. So big shout out to the Turbo Toad community, the Turbo Toad warriors. Turbo Toad turn up. Let's go. So this is currently, we're looking at the market cap 742.1 million. 11 or 1.13 cents, up 1.78, 2%. Like we're going down again. Let me see here. Current, we're back in number 14, slightly behind Cats in a Dog's World. So I wonder if we're going to push past Cats in a Dog's World in the morning. Let's see here. Yeah, I was going to look at the Ether scan. And then we'll look at, what is this? Look at the Ether scan. And then, so I should take a picture of that, actually. So we're up to 47,285. I think we were at 260 roughly 15 minutes ago. So, just trying to remember where I was looking for. Oh, yeah, let's look at the DEX. What is it? The DEX tools? Not the DEX screener. The DEX tool. See what's going on in the volume wise. We'll look at that and hold off on the video just to see how things are going. Thanks for rejoining. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for supporting your main man. Had a couple hiccups on a previous video, but we are back live and full effect. I don't know what happened there or why we glitched out, but we're back. So no worries there. Keep a positive attitude and keep pushing. 7 million. This can't be right. That's got to be it. Definitely not. Oh yeah. I'm tripping. 200. Yeah, it's 779 market cap. This is it. Circulating supply. 47,270 holders. 24-hour volume 2.4 million. And it looks like we are getting bot action. Somebody bought 15,000, 1.3 million turbo. Is that right? Yeah, 1.3 million. Something about 18,000, 1.6 million, 3,300 and 40,000, 27,000, 2.4 million turbo. Let's go. Turbo turn up time. Let's go to Wales. We're not glitching out. Dun, 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 dun. Somebody sold 12 million. Somebody sold 21 million, 10 million, 17, 17, 30. Wow. 30 million. $30,000. I'm tripping. 2.6 million. $34,000, 1.3 million, 1.7 million, 1.3 billion, 1.7 million. This is all today, actually. Got a lot of activity going on today. Looks like there is a large green candle and we're pumping up on the 1 hour chart. Let's check the 15-minute chart on the trading tool. That slipped. Look at trading view. Yo, what is up life cycle? End of the day price prediction tomorrow. Life cycle end of the day price prediction is probably done. What the? So currently we're at 11 cents. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Honestly, I don't. Maybe 1.5 cents. 2 cents would be very moon boyish, but 2 cents is definitely possible. So I don't know what you think. Do you think it'll reach past 1 cent or do you think it's going to pull back? I'm thinking it might pull back some more. We need to log in. I don't have my login set up for TraderView yet, but maybe we can look. I think this, yeah, we can look without having to log in. So there was a humongous green candle today. Is this today? Today, actually tomorrow. Today at, okay, I'm not sure because this is not 2:30. What time is 2:30? Where's the time here? Look at the 5-minute chart. We are holding above this 001. So this was 002. So what is the all-time high? All-time high is 0132. So do you think we're going to hit an all-time high tomorrow? Anybody, everybody, somebody, let me know what you think in the comments. Let's see, why is this line not straight? There we go. Dang it. Let's see here. And we're bouncing around that 101. The all-time high would be 0.134. So we'll see if we can break the resistance. 001. We see here. We're definitely pulling a lot of Oh wow, 7.3. So there's more than 700 in. That's weird. Why does it say 700? Why is coin ranking actually behind live coin watch? That's a first. Okay, so we are in 12th with 774.7 million. And SPX 6900 is gaining on us. So I don't know if this is manipulation or if this is a real thing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Seems like every time we pass these guys, this SP 6900, it always comes back. And I don't think we're going to hit a billion market cap tomorrow. Hopefully, oh, we finally pass, go to its maximum. I don't think we'll hit a billion market cap tomorrow. Possibly 800, maybe 850. And we'd have to get in the top 10, looks like 1.5 billion or 1.3, 1.25 to say the least, just to be in the top 10, to be on the safe side, because PopCat looks like it's pushing up. And it seems like every time we start to push up, everything else pushes up. So I don't know what to think. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. I guess we'll go back to. I just want to see if. So it's not the streaming platform. It's my internet. 1 cent, $1 win. Good question. Suspecting. This is
If
very
you're a
disheartening.
qualified investor and want the potential to earn a 400% return with an investment that can be 100% tax deductible in the first year.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So big news. Despite the market going down, I am going to talk about all that stuff in a different video, but I want to address one important point, and that is about Coinbase. Okay, I actually put out a video and people are like, oh man, you're clickbaiting, all that stuff. Look, Turbo is going on Coinbase. Simple as that. And now it's official. I got the info, right? I can give you the information. So let's have a look at it. And I want to actually say a few things about this because it needs to be addressed, guys. Some of you are focusing on such stupid things. It's insane. Like I need to get you to focus, to have a vision, to have a plan, and stop worrying about the little things. You're trying to find any excuse to actually moan. So here it is, guys. Coinbase will add support for Turbo on the Ethereum network. Do not send this asset over the other networks. Your funds may be lost. Transfers for this asset are available on Coinbase and Coinbase Exchange in the regions where trading is supported. So trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. PT on 11th December 2024 if liquidity conditions are met. Once sufficient supply, this asset is established trading on our Turbo USD trading pair. Will launch in phases. Support for Turbo may be restricted in some supported jurisdictions. Right, so here you've got the contract address. It's official. It's getting all the views, retweets, likes. People are discussing, talking about it. Great stuff. Okay, like I've always said, this is the type of exposure we need. But finally, it's official. What are you going to say now? The problem that I have with some people, they're like, hey, you know, we're not trading yet. We're not trading yet. Well, it was going to happen either way. I mean, it's going to happen either way. What is it going to change in your life? Okay. Is it going to make you upset? Are you going to run away? Are you going to cry? Like, what is the deal here? Stop worrying about these little things. We all know it was on the roadmap and it was going to get listed in a few days. Okay. And I'm just trying to build up your stamina here. I'm trying to make you strong, mentally prepared. Stop worrying about the little things. What matters is the big picture here. Is it going to be traded? Of course it was going to be traded. And another important point that needs to be made. You are running out of time. Everything is starting to happen. And if you are sitting there and you're not, making moves, meaning loading up on your bag, if you still need to do so, then I don't know what you're waiting for. You're waiting for some, magical low price to happen. I don't know if that can happen. How low can it go? But once the trading begins here on Coinbase, the volume is going to start pouring in like no tomorrow. And it's official. So, no, you're going to have to open your eyes and realize that now you got to take action, 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 action. Some people, they were like, wow, I got to know the specific moment, the specific date, and then but the best be in early. That is the safest and lowest risk move you can make. Okay? Because these type of moves where you want to you want to fulfill an order, you want to purchase something on like an exact timing, I don't know if that even works out here. You got to go in early, otherwise you're going to get wrecked. You're going to get destroyed. There are hungry people out there that want to make money. They're going to be taking these lower market caps. They're going to be taking Turbo at a lower price. So you got to take it now or never. Time isn't on your side. We all know we're going into the altcoin season. We all know Bitcoin is soon going to start dropping in dominance. All that money is going to pour into Ethereum and everything else. So I'm here just giving you the facts. I've been noticing how other influencers out there, they take like 3-4 minutes before they even start the video, and they don't even give you any love, passion, emotion. I do it because I love the community. I do it for you guys. You guys drive me with your views, with your subscriptions, likes, shares, and all that stuff. So I'm here 100% all for the community. And I believe that we will be seeing one of the craziest outbreaks. When it hits the psychological number of $1 billion market cap, gosh, it is going to go wild. The investors are filtering by market caps, and trust me, they have their categories of investing into anything over $1 billion. So this to me looks like a perfect opportunity. And if it doesn't, then I don't know what does at this point. Make moves, guys. Really, time is precious. I was actually not long ago, I think I mentioned it in one of my earlier videos, just watching my previous videos about Turbo and seeing how, when I was talking to you guys and was just like 200 million market cap, and that was like about half a year ago. Oh my God, beautiful times. Those that did listen to me, guess what? You're making money. You're 2x, 3x, 4x. Probably all the predictions here are very, very far. And another thing that I really want to see now, since we got that Coinbase, we got that Binance, I want to see Robinhood as well. Oh, that would be beautiful, before the altcoin season, and then we're just mooning. The frog narrative is strong, it's powerful. People are looking at the frog narrative, really giving it a lot of praise because of what Pepe is doing. So they're looking at every other thing below Pepe, because Pepe, yeah, it's nice, but it's just too big. You're not going to make your 100x, nor you're going to make a 50x. It's just too massive at this point. But going into Turbo, like I've said, a 40x, I see it, guys. Really, like my vision goes that far. I could even be more optimistic. I could be a bit pessimistic, but everyone's targets are in the billions, regardless of whether they're low range targets, high range. Everyone's talking about billions of dollars Turbo. So yeah, guys. And another thing, just wanted to address. I know, it's very funny the way I pronounce Turbo. Maybe I will just carry on saying it because I see that it's funny for you guys. You like it, and I like to mess around with the community a little bit. If it's like the thing that I do, what I'm known for, maybe I'd like it. Like maybe I'll just say Turbo from now on, because turbo seems to be a little bit hard for me to say, to pronounce. But yeah, that was some good stuff, coming from Turbo, from from Coinbase, everything that I have to say. And in one of my videos, I'm actually gonna show you some turbo songs. Someone on Twitter sent me these songs. Amazing. I'll put up one. You let me know if you like it. I will probably add it at the end of one of my videos in the future. So do stay up to date. Great songs, especially made for this coin. Great stuff. You know, that's the kind of commitment.
Tripping. Yes, I don't know about the turbo video thing. I did see some videos previously about turbo. Sunny. What is this? Hold on a second. What is this? Tomorrow 004. I hope you are correct. But I think 004, it has to be, I think you got to be in $1 billion market cap to get to 4 cents. Or at least, yeah, I think 2 billion maybe. I know it's got to be over $1 billion to get to 4 cents. 3 cents, 2 cent maybe, but there's no telling, right? We're not even sure what kind of impact Coinbase will add to the current price action.
When I
Right?
first found that someone was using my identity, I was devastated.
Online criminals stole more than 12.5.
So what is up, Turbo family? We are
So we're gonna pause Wolf Magnet for a second and look at the numbers again. This is I thought it was Turbo Live, but still waiting for it to run up. Turbo's number 12, 774.7 million. See if we can get something to pull up here. So this is Twitter again. Notifications. Why did I hit notifications? Let's see what's S Turbo going. What's going down on the S Turbo feed live? Oh, what was this breaking news? Okay, that was Roaring Toady. Turn the music up. What music? Why is there no sound? Okay. Still, why is there no sound?
We rise up, turbo token where we all belong. Together we fought through thick and thin. Now Coinbase is calling, let the journey begin. We are the champions. The power is.
No, pause that. These guys are crazy with these copyright hits. I don't know how you can get a copyright hit for a video that's already on Twitter, right? It's already there. Why are you actually getting it? You're actually right. I won't have high expectations. I don't think so either, guys. I think just stay calm and diamond hands, right? I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of action tomorrow, especially with the market. Somebody mentioned there's an FOMC meeting, and with the market reeling from the 60 minutes fiasco with XRP, I don't think it. Not even playing the videos. This is just StreamYard. What is this? YouTube Carlos, $2 for real. No volume. I think the volume came back on. For some reason, on StreamYard, the mic, the mic just mutes from time to time. I don't know if it's something I'm doing or not doing or supposed to be doing, but it does mute. I absolutely love Christmas. Merry Christmas to all my Turbo family. That's what I'm saying. You guys are like, Christmas is coming early. Hold the phone, guys. Let's see what happens tomorrow first before you sell us Turbo and Robin Hood. Come join us. I think that's pretty funny. Dr. Evil, Turbo's chosen by the crypto overlord to ascend to the blue chip status. As always, follow the clues and you'll find the answer you seek. Billions incoming. Yeah, road to 4 billion. Actually, who is that? You might be right, Sonny. 4 billion. What if it hit 4 billion tomorrow? What would you guys do? What if we went to a market cap of 4 billion tomorrow? Right? Check out the volume on Turbo. It'll perform better than most of the memes. So it's going to be in top 100. Don't miss. I think it already is in the top 100. Or you think the top 100s of all crypto? Behold the almighty Turbo rising to claim the throne among the stars. A new era begins. Wow. Mr. Turbo told, please, Robinhood needs more volume. May the volume be with you. That's actually pretty cool. Tomorrow's Coinbase advanced listings Turbo. This was 12:10 at 6 o'clock, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, 6 o'clock. That's weird. Robinhood, when is your turn? You're messing out on Turbo. Yeah, the bulk of the volume's probably coming this week. So if these guys haven't missed it, I think they're going to miss the boat. But a lot of people are talking about Robinhood didn't really list meme coins anyway, outside of Doge and Pepe. I'm not even sure Pepe is on there. Wells HQ, Turbo, remain calm, all's well. That's what I'm saying. Relax, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I might use this for my let me see, is this fit? Yeah, I might use this for my actual background picture for Twitter. Just going through. Said Jackson. Exciting Turbo does it again, and such a thrilling ride. See what we got here. We're already at 270, up 4%. Looks like the pump is starting, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Let's see. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turn Up. Let's go. Turbo and Elon. This train is waiting for you. Turbo. Crypto Geo. Olivia. Ale. Turbo Sparks Endless Wonder. Turbo Meme Coin Turbo. What is this? Turbo listing with Coinbase today at 6. We all urge Turbo holders to vote. Upcoming reward date. Voters will receive allocation from the Treasury pool. Yeah, this is fake. I know this is fake because this is not the website. This Turbo Tokens events is not the website. These guys are scammers. Let's see. Do not click the link. Might help. I spelled link right. Should have said report. Dang it. Can sure can't, huh? Can I edit this? Guess not. So we'll come back to this guy. I guess, let's see what Wealth Magnet's talking about.
Back with another video on Turbo, and there we finally have it. We finally got the official listing date and time of when a Turbo is going live on Coinbase. So this is a really huge thing that's happening right now. So we're going to be taking a look at that in this video. Before we do start the video, do make sure to check out the link down in the description to the Discord community. Again, there's tons of features. There's wallet trackers, token information, tweet trackers. There's free chats, there's voice chats, and people just like you that are trying to make it big in the meme coin space. So do make sure to join in to be a part of this amazing community, and hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we over at our screen looking at Turbo. It is back at the 1 penny range, up around almost 3% in the daily. Again, still looking pretty decent after it did a huge sell off. Again, we did if we look at the weekly, we did break new all-time highs just 2 days ago, about 1.3 pennies, and then we saw crazy fell off at Turbo, going back to 0.208 in just around a day or so. So a pretty big sell off, but it was the whole market, not just Turbo. Even if we look at the of the biggest coins out there, we see XRP down about 8%, Solana down almost 9%, and almost all of these are bleeding red in the weekly, and Turbo is still about 37% up in just the past 7 days. So still looking bullish, and is still doing pretty strong after we finally got the official listing on when we are going live on Coinbase. Market cap, we are sitting at about $680 million, volume at 481. Again, volume is a crazy thing for Turbo, because I know no other meme coin that has this volume to market cap ratio other than Turbo. If we take a look at the website, this was one of the first AI created meme coins. Again, still very bullish. It's listed on 115 plus spot exchanges. We are to see Coinbase on here very soon. We already have Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, OKX, and all of this huge list. And perpetual futures, it's already on Coinbase, and will be on spot very soon. Binance, Bybit, and other exchanges as well, doing pretty good. If we head over to the Twitter, 101K followers. They recently just crossed 100K followers on Twitter as well. So, which is really good. And here we have it, guys. Here we have the official listing date and time. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. PT on 11th of December. So the time zone may vary for where you guys are located. So on 9 a.m. PT on 11th December, we are finally getting listed on Coinbase 2024 if liquidity conditions are met. Once sufficient supply of asset is established on our Turbo USD trading pair, they will launch in phases. Support for Turbo may be restricted in support just to see. So still pretty good. We can see if we go back, we are seeing our Turbo Coinbase boost actually posting tomorrow's Coinbase advanced listing of Turbo as well. So this announcement has absolutely shaken the Turbo community. As we know, we were hoping for this listing for a really long time. We've been looking forward to it. There was a lot of rumors earlier on when it is going to be listed, but now it is finally official. It will be launching tomorrow, 9 a.m. PT on Coinbase. Again, if everything goes right. So still very crazy news for Turbo itself, since it was already rising even before we got this news. So if we take a look at when we got this news at 9:30 a.m. on the 4th of December. We saw this crazy a quick spike after the tweet, and then we were kind of consolidating sideways. People were like, oh, Turbo's not moving even after the announcement, but then it did ramp up, and we were seeing crazy waves being made, and we saw a new all-time high, and then we saw a crazy sell-off again. The haters come back in again and to talk about Turbo once again, but it wasn't just Turbo; it was a whole market sell-off. Even other meme coins dipped as well. We can see most of the market on the weekly is red, 24%. XRP down at 10%. Solana also almost 10. So it was basically a whole market sell off, and Turbo was just a part of that. So nothing too scared. If you can't see coins fall, you do not deserve to see coins rise. I love that quote. That will be not my new thing from now, but still, very bullish. Still, community 90% positive on this coin. Be aware of the manipulation that might happen when the listing goes live. If it sells off, just load up. If it doesn't, even better. So historically, if we look at the previous listings, like huge listings like Binance, it was listed on the 16th, I believe, 16th of September. So let's actually take a look at the graphs. And if we take a look at the 16th of September. So this was the 16th of September. And after we finally got listed on Binance on the 16th, we saw a quick rally going all the way up to around 0.207. When the listing was announced, it was around 0.203, and then it saw quick, almost double, more than double actually, and then it saw the dip once again. Again, if, even after this listing, we might not just see it just go like this. It will be more gradual. We could see even weeks after the listing, it was still not doing too much. It did a 2x, and then it did dump back to 0.204. And then almost about a month later, we did see another crazy spike, breaking new all-time highs at 1.3 pennies. And again, saw another trend forming, which it did finally break out from. But the point here is that it will just not go crazy after the listing. It might take some time, and we just have to be patient. So even now, even after the announcement, we did see it wasn't just crazy upwards movement. We did see kind of sideways consolidation after we did see this crazy rally. But even after the official listing goes live, it will take some time. So definitely something to look out for as well. I'm bullish on Turbo still. Coinbase about to launch our boy Turbo. Fill your bag before the rocket lifts off. So everyone's excited about this news. So if you haven't heard this news already and you're listening to the first time of this news, do make sure to drop a comment down below on what you think about this news. Everyone knows that Turbo will be listed on Coinbase tomorrow, and what is happening. Why is no one buying Turbo? Maybe $2 billion this week. So we could see people are loading their bags up. We went from 0.208 so back to 1 penny. So there is some action going on, but still, there should be a lot more, but still, it is pretty decent. Tomorrow we fly with the Coinbase rocket. Everyone's excited. It is going to be absolutely epic. So very excited. Do make sure to stay tuned to our channel so you are regularly updated on what's happening with Turbo. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we didn't talk about when Turbo is finally.
So just trying to build some excitement for tomorrow in this Turbo Toad listing. What's up, building investor? Thanks for the super chat. Thanks for trying to keep the lights on Turbo Toad Central Office. Just trying to rebuild the community. So I'm just gonna go through some videos. One, to buy some time, and two, to make sure we get the word out across multiple YouTube videos. What everyone's talking about, trying to build up hype for this Coinbase listing tomorrow. But as he
is now released.
it's not going to be a whole lot happening tomorrow. If they do list it like all the other listings, there's a pump and then it kind of goes flat and then it takes off. So I wouldn't expect it to get crazy tomorrow, but maybe tomorrow or Thursday or Friday might be looking at some billions market cap. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let's play row. And I'm making some changes to one of the videos I already ran, and then we'll come back and talk about
East. Guys, it is dropping tomorrow after 9 a.m. Very, very exciting stuff. Listen, I know what you guys might be thinking. You said, bro, it's coming out. Listen, I was off by 2 days. Look, don't crucify me. Listen, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ro. I cover Turbo literally every single day. I've been doing so for the past 6 to 7 months. So if you guys are new, subscribe because I'm going to continue to post Turbo every single day and update you guys along the way. I know a bunch of you probably have been waiting for this video. The announcement literally came out an hour ago. So I'm like, yo, I need to hop on and make a video. What is going on? Listen, if you're new, one thing I ask is that you subscribe. We recently just hit 10K. Also going to be doing a huge turbo giveaway very soon. And also for those of you who have been asking me, because a lot of you have, bro, drop a private Discord, bro, do you have a mentorship, bro, do you have this? And honestly, guys, I have finally pulled the trigger and came out with one. Now this is called Memecoin Mastery. It's run by myself and another crypto YouTuber. You literally have access to my instant buy and sell alerts. So whenever I buy in and whenever I get out of the market, you know exactly when to do that. We've had some calls here that have already done 4 to 5 X's. We've had some calls on Turbo that you guys should have loaded up on, and we have a bunch more exclusive content, live streams, and you have 24/7 access to myself. If you want to ask me anything, if you want to give me a call, literally all of that is available, guys. Now you can either do monthly payments or you could pay one time upfront and you are good for life. Literally insane value from this. Turbo family, mainly doing this for you guys because I want you guys to be able to make it in this crypto bull run. Me personally, I was able to, buy my dream car a couple months ago, travel the world, and I'm looking forward to a lot more to come in 2025. And I want you guys to have that financial, mental, and time freedom. Without further yapping, let's really look into what you guys are here for today, and that is because Turbo has been listed, fellas. Right now, the price action, I know you guys might be scared, I know you guys might be discouraged, but this is good, this is fine. We're just slowly bleeding out a little bit, okay? Down 23%. What you need to understand is every single bull cycle from the beginning of time, right? I was in the market since 2017. Every time we're on a bull run, guys, 20, 30, 40% dips are normal to be seen, and that's with Bitcoin. 20, 30% dips with Bitcoin on a bull run are normal. That is literally a regular price action, guys. There's nothing that is out of the ordinary. And so just imagine, right? If Bitcoin's able to drop 20, 30%, how far do you think meme coins are going to drop, right? Because meme coins have nowhere near as much liquidity as Bitcoin does. Bitcoin's literally $1 trillion asset. So for something like Bitcoin to drop 10, 20, 30%, it's going to take a lot of money. So obviously, guys, for meme coins to drop like $100 million plays, they're going to drop a lot harder. But that also means when it's time for them to pick back up again, they're going to pump a lot harder. Now, Turbo's down 24%. Not the end of the world, guys. Still hold. And if you guys have been waiting for an opportunity to load up on Turbo, now is that time. You are literally getting in on a penny, which is honestly to me a super, super solid deal. Okay. Obviously, not financial advice, but if you guys have been waiting, you've been loafing to get into the markets, Turbo literally made new all-time highs the other day. So listen, this could be something insane. I don't want you guys to miss out on it, okay? Um, I mean, just look at the sheer volume that this thing does. You tell me what other meme coin does volume like Turbo. I genuinely don't know any other meme coin that does volume like Turbo does, which is one of the biggest reasons that I am bullish on it. Honestly, guys, today I might be dropping a bag into Turbo just because of the announcement that came out. We're going to get listing tomorrow. Nobody really knows how the price is going to react to it. I feel it's already been factored in, right? I feel like the price action has already been factored in. Either I buy in today with the big bag or I just wait until tomorrow because we usually see dips happen as soon as some bullish news comes out, right? You've heard of buy the rumor, sell the news. So it could be
If
one of
you're a
those things,
risky
we've been
raider, you
pumping
might like
because
the
the rumor of
idea
the Coinbase
of
thing.
buying the dip.
A lot of you, oh my gosh, hold on. I need to cover this. There was one person that commented on my video that said, dude, just because it got listed on the roadmap doesn't mean that it's actually going to be listed.
Say money can't buy happiness. Look at that.
You made a great video, but what if no one watches it? Two
Anyways, guys, honestly, volume is up there, down 26%, but it's literally on par with the market cap. You show me what other meme coin there is out there that is doing volume like what Turbo is doing. And I'm very excited because on their page here, they literally have every exchange. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's supposed to be here. Are they working on it? What's supposed to be here, guys? Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Am I dumb, or let's try to reload this. Interesting. So it looks like they're potentially making space for a blue circle. I don't know, right? I'm not an expert, but I do want to read this tweet that came out.
Today, wanted to make a very quick video, brief, concise video here on Turbo
First of
Token.
all, if you guys
Obviously,
haven't
market
already, go drop
conditions
them follow
are
on
not
X.
great right now.
Stay up to date with the
Overall, we're
information,
seeing,
right?
I
Be
think someone said, like I said
proactive.
in
Don't
the
just wait for me to
airdrome
talk
video
about it because you
previously,
could hear from the
one of the
horse's
largest
mouth straight
liquidations we've
from
ever
Turbo.
seen since 2021 as
Coinbase will
far as
add
just money
support
leaving
for
the
Turbo
market.
on the Ethereum network ERC20 tokens. Do not send this asset
Not
over
necessarily over
other
the last 7
networks,
days, but
or
more
your funds may be lost.
specifically over like
Transfers for this asset are available on Coinbase and Coinbase exchange in the regions where trading is supported. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. PT on 11th of December 2024. Conditions are met once sufficient supply of this asset is established. Trading on Turbo USD trading pair will launch in phases. Support for Turbo may be restricted in some jurisdictions. Now, it does say trade will launch in phases, but if you guys do hold Turbo, you are able to send it, guys. Trading will be live on 9 a.m. PT on December 11th, so which is literally tomorrow. And if that's not sufficient evidence that the listing is happening tomorrow, I don't know what is, okay? Right now, guys, we did drop a little bit. Hopefully we don't go all the way down to 2077. Here's the thing, if we do crash down to that level, you better bet that I'm going to be loading up because this is just way too bullish. This thing has been doing really well. It's going to continue to do well. It's one of my best meme coin plays for this bull run, and it'll be one of yours too, guys, because Turbo is an absolute gem. Got boost. Turbo's Coinbase advanced listing. Tomorrow's Coinbase's advanced listing. They are listing Turbo tomorrow. Absolutely love to see it. I also am a very big fan of Turbo because my car has one. It's a single twin scroll. Again, Turbo giveaway coming as well. Turbo, I don't care about market sentiment, which is temporary. Coinbase listing adding more liquidity, and we will see a euphoric wave within 2 to 3 months when we hit the bull run euphoria. Robinhood, when are you guys listing? Honestly, I don't know if Robinhood will list it. I'm not going to be too optimistic about that. I just want the Coinbase listing. We got it. We got literally every single listing. Now tell me, why would you hate on something like Turbo? Absolutely no reason to. Such a good, solid play, guys. Listen, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like, subscribe. Literally just hit
So shout out to Ro. He's been making videos sometimes 3 times a day, every day for Turbo. So appreciate everyone who's been putting work in for Turbo, making videos, making memes, making songs, making pictures, anything to keep the Turbo Toe community rolling. Just trying to help you rebuild the community. So let's see here. Something about a massive price crash. What
Turbo has
talk
definitely
about.
shown a bit of a dip here, and it's corrected from 800 million down to $658 million on the market capital. So we will check out Turbo quickly in this video here. Where do I think it can go? Because on the year, through an all-time high by market cap in October already, and it did fail to actually retest that zone of price discovery. We can see we didn't quite put through that new all-time high. made just yet. So could this be a shakeout? Could this be just something in the market? And could it serve as a good dollar cost average point? Just to quickly reiterate, on these markets, we do see these 10% shakeouts in general. So this is the total valuation of crypto. You can see back here in September, October of 2024, we had a 10% drop to the downside. We had another one in November, 10% drop. So these shakeouts commonly occur, and they usually shake people out of the markets. They create a bit of fear. People sell their positions, usually in a loss, and then re-enter the market when things print green again, completely FOMOing in, accepting a loss. So it's pretty crazy. Hopefully this will just be a 10% blip to the downside. Bitcoin still looking super strong for Q4. We're up 54%. We just need to see a strong Q1 in 2025. If you're new to the channel, guys, please do subscribe should you wish to hear your crypto goals this coming bull run. Now, Turbo is still sitting at 1 cent, which is a glorious, glorious psychological number. We don't want to see it add another zero back here, ideally. Looking at Turbo, we can see, yeah, there's a few moments here where if we do keep an eye on our relative strength index, which is right down below, you can see these vertical yellow lines highlight every single time this coin becomes overbought on the RSI. It's overbought here, it's overbought here. It wasn't actually overbought there, so I don't know what that line is. It was overbought right here as well. And typically when we get these overbought periods, or like, you know, when they happen, we had one actually just here, we usually see a pullback. We just about got overbought here. For Turbo, you could argue, because it did just hit 70 on that relative strength index. Now, this is probably more heavily tied to the rest of the market, but you can start to use the RSI to help yourself kind of time your selling as well. So how about on the buying side? So on the contrary, how are we looking on the 4 hour? We could see last time the RSI came down low on these 4 hour region, the price did kind of bounce each time, and it is sitting quite low on the RSI at 50 at the moment. But it's really, really just difficult to say where exactly it could go, because the Turbo came up to 0.0133, which is basically on this exchange here, OKX, almost an all-time high. And since then, it has capitulated. It's moved down quite a lot. We're now printing a big valley of red candles, which could also be seen as maybe an opportunity here, because we're moving down quite a lot in price. We've come down from 0.0013 down to 0.001. 25% move to the downside. You can actually see some people were lucky enough to buy down here at 0.0087, which is a really, really nice buy-in. That's like down 40%, and then they'll immediately be up already. So I would say it's hard to catch the dip. It's like trying to catch a falling knife. Some people can lose by doing so. But we do know it is a 20% move to the downside. In fact, it's a 25% move to the downside over here. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can see this has pulled us back to also a low RSI. We're sitting around 36 on the relative strength index. So yeah, if you believe Turbo is a coin that is worth holding over a long period of time, because during this entire bull market, it's really demonstrated a lot of crazy growth, as you can see right here. It's been nothing short of impressive. It's just been a constant uptrend. We get a pump, correction, pump, correction, pump, correction, and we've been consolidating a bit more, but we still get that pump and then consolidation. We've got the red candle here in the weekly. Could still be something that does well. 100K followers, not financial advice, of course, guys. I would not say, you know, go ape in around here, but because you see they've had a big collaboration with Orange Web3 is quite interesting to see. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Because my gut wants me to dollar cost averaging at this particular level, but then I know how violent these markets can be, especially around Christmas period. Turbo is, of course, the meme coin made by artificial intelligence for the people. So it's got a great story, a great background, and a fantastic narrative. If you guys are also out there trying to make more gains in this market and make more money, then you can also check out the Patreon, which is just down below for you guys. Got multiple packages you can pick from if you want to get early alpha, straight to DEX coins, indicators, trading signals, and more. So recently we had, for example, the AAA coin, which ripped over 50x for the patrons. We also had the Agent Row coin, which we just put in the group early December, did over a 3x. And then we had Cat Slap, which was a late November call, delivering over 10x to the whole on straight to DEX. So that would pay back your whole sort of annual subscription in just one call if we can get the lucky ones out there, you know. So do check it out down below. All we do is become patron, step 1, and then step 2, this will give you VIP access to my Discord as well. So what else is going on? We've got Fear and Greed Index 78 at the moment. So a lot of greed is in the market still. A lot of people are FOMOing in, and I reckon we could see this pull back a little bit, maybe a bit closer to a neutral sentiment. But it's, again, really hard to say, guys. No one knows what the exact future is. Looking here at the total market cap of crypto, we are still printing, unfortunately, red candles at the moment. So it's not really a major problem. Whether the market is up or down, the patron will have, signals and calls that work in the favor of upward and downward momentum in these markets. So yeah, that's about a wrap. Turbo, I still think it's a good play, but we could potentially come down a bit lower here and maybe even get a lower entry for Turbo, or I could be completely incorrect and it might just completely pump again. Of course, if you're buying cryptos, guys, you can use Bitunix, which is great for leverage trading.
I think he is incorrect. The pump is coming. This wow. Lions, Alien. So 2 cents to 4 cents. Pretty sure I butchered that name, but yes, I think it's going to push up to 2 quickly and then stop at 3 for a little while and push on up to 4 over the weekend or coming into the weekend. So let me know what you guys think. And this is the video we first started with bags only. So I just want to compare what everybody's thinking and what everybody's saying while we're trying to rebuild the community. Got my confidence back, got a little swag back with StreamYard because it was kind of weird with Restream. But I think StreamYard's working. I guess whatever was happening, people turned the devices off and went to sleep. So we are back streaming. So let me know what you guys think. And what do you see? What's your price prediction as a line? And thanks for the super chat, Bill the Investor. And let's see. Looks like so far 2 to 4 cents. Anyone else got a price prediction for tomorrow? Just trying to rebuild the community. Shout out to the Turbo Toad Warriors. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Thank you. I believe. Thank you, love from Europe. You're welcome. You're welcome, because we're doing it all live. The first little video got kind of jacked up, so I deleted that video. So this is the main one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Minimum 1.5. Anybody else got a price prediction? Let's get some numbers rolling in the chat. We are alive and wake because we're doing it all live. And thanks for helping me rebuild the community. And you guys continue to diamond hand turbo. And I keep talking about buying that sequence glove. I might do that tomorrow. I was looking to see if I had something with a diamond or diamondish or shiny, but I might just get that sequence Michael Jackson glove and call it a day for the diamond hand, the Turbo Toad Army, and the Turbo Toad Warriors. So let's listen to bags only. See what he has to say. Anything useful to discuss in the chat? Again, let me know your price predictions for tomorrow.
Aerodrome video previously, one of the largest liquidations we've ever seen since 2021 as far as just money leaving the market in crypto, and you can have not necessarily over the last 7 days, but more specifically over like the last close to 48 hours, 36 hours or so, for the crypto market as a whole. Altcoins just getting absolutely wrecked. I think again it's an important reminder that if you do believe in these projects, these dips, I guess you could say, I've been kind of alluding to it, and maybe when we were back in the red, maybe even 5 months ago, 4 months ago, whenever that was, when we were maybe like 3 months ago, when we were specifically in the red. How like it's a time where retail money gets out of positions and smart money moves in, buying up those dips. So again, I'm not recommending anyone like buying specific just dips on specific coins, but again, if I'm recommending anything, it's just to stay strong, I guess, stay level headed. Honestly, don't even look at the portfolio. I'm only really looking at my portfolios over the last couple of days just to make these videos really. So again, Turbo token, you guys, 0.01004 at the time of this video. It's down around 16%. Again, not even like this was literally, it was at almost it. I think it touched the all-time high. Yeah, 0.013. It did actually touch the all-time high, confirmed just yesterday in the morning. So like let's not, this is if you look at the one day, that's not, it's not doing it justice, right? Turbo just ripped up and much yesterday, like literally a little over 24 hours ago. But again, the point of this video is Coinbase Assets puts out a tweet. Coinbase will add support for Turbo on Ethereum network ERC20 token. Do not send this asset over networks or your funds may be lost. Transfers for this asset are available on Coinbase and Coinbase Exchange in regions where trading is supported. Right? Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time on December 11th. So that's going to be tomorrow, or essentially like 12 to 15 hours from the time of this video going live, et cetera, et cetera. And here's the ERC20 token contract address for Turbo. This is obviously huge, right? This is obviously huge. Maybe a week ago, a little less than a week ago, Coinbase came out, said that they were going to list Turbo, and now it's looking like it's finally going to happen. Again, I had said in the previous two videos that I believed it was going to happen early this week, and again, it's Tuesday, December 10th here in the United States, and again, it is happening, right? We are getting the Turbo listing, and again, I just want to remind everyone, like Turbo, at the end of the day, tradable tokens on Turbo, they only literally have 267 cryptocurrencies that are tradable on Coinbase, and we see now here Turbo is one of them. Turbo is one of them, and they just recently updated the about Turbo here. This was literally blank for the longest time, and literally in the last couple hours they put this in here. Turbo is a meme coin that's created off ChatGPT prompt. Create the next rate meme coin starting with a budget of $600. It is a community-run crypto built on the Ethereum blockchain. All right, and again, Pepe, Coinbase listing, right? It did wonders for it as far as price action goes. We talked about it in the previous video as well. Memecoin, a base meme coin, got listed on Coinbase, and I think it pumped like 40% in 24 hours. So again, we're obviously not seeing the price action due to market conditions.
Who is this? Amplified Gamer. What is going on? Welcome to the Turbo Toe Turn Up. Turbo, let's go. How many years to listing? How many hours to listing Coinbase? That's a good question. These guys say it's gonna list at 11 Eastern, 12 Central, which is about 10, 11 hours from now, possibly. They might list it earlier, but I'm not sure the exact time and date they're going to list it, because even in the message it said due to liquidity. So I suspect they might not even list it tomorrow. I can see them pulling a fast one and telling us they're going to list it on Friday or something.
Honestly, hoping that they would list or officially list it.
Because with market liquidity currently where it is, I would hold off if I was them for a day or two, just until the market came back roaring, to make sure you post it on an up and a up time. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll get
When the market conditions were a little bit better, but nonetheless, it's happening, right? It's here. This is obviously huge. Just the main point of the video. Wanted to get your guys' opinion on where you guys think, possibly, maybe Turbo can head. This is obviously a massive, massive catalyst, probably for a meme coin to be listed on Coinbase. You guys, when again, like I said, they only list 267 assets. It's absolutely huge. Just going back to even, we talk about Turbo with a $9 billion market cap, which is going to be essentially the market cap of Pepe right now. It's 14 cents, 14.17x. All time high would be around a 15.96x, which is 11 billion market cap. Again, with market conditions, with it, where I do think the global crypto market cap will end up being in this bull market, we could easily see 10 plus $1 billion market cap for Turbo. Again, in my opinion, I think, like I said, 15 cents is not out the realm of possibilities whatsoever. Even north of 25 cents is not out of the realm of possibilities. If we do see those real altcoin season, which I'm expecting to see as well. Again, not financial advice, but please let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Turbo token. Obviously, massive news here. Please drop a like on this video, guys. Hit the subscribe button. As always, have a great day.
As he mentioned, that is massive news listing on Coinbase. Who is this? Let's see.
In this video, I'm going to be talking about this huge opportunity that you have before you with Turbo Coin. It is going live on Coinbase tomorrow, December 11th. I'm going to break down everything that is going to happen with this project as far as where the price is going to be headed.
Bro, everybody and their mom is making a dang Turbo video about this going on Coinbase. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. Seeing all kind of weird videos, all kind of people coming out of nowhere making Turbo turn up videos. So let's see. I might come back to this guy. Let's listen to Freeman real quick first, and come back to this guy. Let's see. Pause this guy. See what Freeman has to say.
No more win Coinbase, guys. We did it. The Turbo community. We now have Binance and Coinbase. It is amazing. But what is that going to do to the price of Turbo? I mean, at the end of the day, everyone that's been here working in the community, been shilling for all this time, is wanting to see the price appreciate and more community members join because Coinbase is one of the largest exchanges in the world. And normie investors that only use Coinbase will have access to the best AI meme of all time, guys. In this video, I want to compare Turbo to recent listings, go over when the listing is going to happen, and look at some more meme data and see what it really could mean for Turbo, guys. I am so happy for every one of you. Since I've been started making Turbo content, I've been waiting for this day, guys. Let's get into the video. I love you all. Turbo right here. The website guys have been working. Look at this. They just have a placeholder right there. Now, my personal opinion is we should scoop Binance over because I believe Coinbase has more of a reach for the United States, and not meaning that that has the most volume or anything, but I believe it's the most normie investors. I feel like there's a lot of people in America that still only use Coinbase versus with Binance. I feel like people use XT or they use other platforms, at least from people I've heard. So let me know in the comments what you think about that. But guys, we have done it. I remember when this said 40 exchanges and now it's up right here, like Turbo posted right here. We've come so far, Toads. Coinbase assets will support Turbo on the Ethereum network. Do not send assets over network, all that stuff. Remember, Turbo is also on Binance Smart Chain and also on Solana, guys. And I even asked this AI agent right here. So with the Coinbase listing Turbo token tomorrow, I'm curious how you think Turbo ranks with other meme coins on that exchange. And he said, don't want to talk about Turbo, tired of comparing meme coins to each other. They will all go to zero eventually. And this is the question that I want to ask this AI agent. Love the honesty. What if communities stay alive? And that's why I'm so bullish on AI agents. That's why I'm so bullish on beats on base, guys. Is because this is like a personality right here, and whether it's like image creation, I just really believe this sector of AI meme coins is really going to explode. And so I'm looking for the low gems. And Turbo right now is leading the pack, guys. It passed up Go, it passed up all. But I'm really curious to see what this AI agent come back and says. If he does say something, I'll put a little picture of it up above or post it on X or something. But man, let's go over to Pepe and look at what happened to Pepe after its Coinbase listing. This was a very big deal, and I want to compare them. If we look right here, before that, it was a little over a $5 billion market cap. And to put things in perspective, that is about an 8x, almost a 10x away from where Turbo is currently, just at the start point of Pepe. And then it shot up to about a 10, and a couple days ago hit a high of 11.67 billion market cap. This is a huge market cap, and I don't expect Turbo to do this so quickly. But what is this going to do for Turbo? What are we going to see with this market cap of Turbo right here? You could see whenever the news came out, we had a pump today from 576 to about 700, almost 660. So tomorrow, when it's listed, I think big things are going to come. I have a friend that owns a couple Bitcoin and 32 Ethereum, and he only buys stuff off of Coinbase. He's been asking me how to get into memes, how to get into these awesome communities and stuff. But something like this will give people like that the avenue to really get into a community that they want. There's no more questions where to buy Turbo. You can literally buy it everywhere. So when we compare it to the other meme coins currently on Coinbase, you could see what was recently listed is Moodink and Mogcoin. They have Shiba Inu, they have Dogecoin, and when you go down, that's really it besides the ones that were just listed recently. And so looking at Turbo right there on X, they've got absolutely every exchange you could want besides Robinhood. And guys, I want to talk about the Robinhood one a little bit. I would say that's the ultimate normie listing because that has the bridge between stock, Tesla, for instance, and they could put it into Turbo, or they could put it into Dogecoin, or they could put it into Pepe. So I really think the Robinhood listing is very big. But something I want to talk about is we did see recently with two of the coins that Coinbase listed it. And then I'm going to say that I was so happy this morning whenever I seen that this was going to be listed. And I posted something a little early. I said Turbo on Coinbase announcement within the hour. And people were like, how do you know? Like, Katie, shout out to you, said sure. And this person said Giga just had theirs. And that's exactly why I knew it was going to be coming, because right when Giga got theirs, I knew that Turbo was going to be right behind it. That's exactly how it happened whenever the announcement came. They announced that Giga was listed on their roadmap, and we looked at the previous tokens that were listed on roadmaps. One of them took 3 days, Mooding, to get listed, and Pepe took about 10 days. And so this took about 8 days for Turbo to get listed directly on Coinbase, but it is here. But let's go over and look at market dynamics right now, because a lot of people are getting shaken out right now. A lot of people are scared. If we come over and look at BTC, how this is looking, you can really see that it has been holding pretty good. If we just look at this, guys, people are getting fearful. But if you look, we are still up since the beginning of November, 41% on BTC. And I am staying with my key narratives. What I'm constantly looking for is low cap artificial intelligence or real world assets, whether that's actual artificial intelligence or like AI agents, like I was kind of going over on X, guys. So I'm so bullish on looking at this ecosystem. And what I'm so proud to know is that Turbo started all of it. The first AI meme coin ever created using Chat GPT-4 with an awesome community. But I really want to know, what is this AI agent's response to be? Like, come on, guy. You faded Turbo. You said you didn't want to talk about it anymore. Answer me, AI agent. Answer me. But guys, that's so cool. We are definitely living in 2030 right now. But let me know, what do you think about Turbo finally getting listed on Coinbase, guys? It's here. We've been waiting on.
So, what is your prediction? What's going to happen tomorrow? Are we live? Is it going down? Is it going up? Is it sideways consolidation? What do you think is going to happen tomorrow with the Turbo Toad turn up Turbo, turbo, turbo. The Turbo Toad Warriors. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go.
It up to next with this Coinbase listing. Coinbase Turbo goes live on Coinbase tomorrow, December 11th, 2024. We're in the year of this bull run, and we are in the year of good things to come because 2025 is going to be more explosive. But I'm going to dive into this video and talk about everything that I want to talk about with Turbo. But first and foremost, if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get alert on your device on Turbo. Also, like and share this video on all your social medias as well as follow your boy Crypto the Usher Crypto on down below. Let me know if you're in Turbo. Let me know if you're bullish on Turbo. Let me know how much Turbo you actually have. Leave a comment down below. And remember, none of this information is financial advice. Do your own research. All right, we can see the market is now coming back to life. We've seen a huge sell off in the market. We've seen the market consolidate just a tad bit. Now we're back up a little bit, and that's a good sign. I mean, I'm not worried about it. I know Bitcoin's going to probably hit 105 to 120 by this year, before the end of the year. You know, I think it's going to hit those levels. And we're seeing Bitcoin going right back up to almost 98,000. Ethereum's creeping back up to 3,700. XRP, huge XRP news. If you haven't seen the news, the stable coin for XRP was approved. Go watch my last video on XRP. It's a lot of exciting things going on in crypto before the end of the year, and it's just making the transition to 2025 much more bullish. You know, I knew 2025 was going to be a bullish year for crypto back in 2022, but then and now it's just getting real juicy. It's really getting real juicy, baby. 2025 is going to be really explosive. But what's going to be explosive is Turbo Coin. So I'm going to get into Turbo Coin and talk about the first generated AI generated meme coin with a $69 budget. You know, which is crazy. $69, and now Turbo is a phenomenon. It's almost a household name. Everybody knows what Turbo is. 100K followers plus on Twitter. And this is the news that I want to talk about today. I'm gonna scroll down, and Turbo tweeted this out, and this is actually a post from Coinbase Assets. Coinbase will add support for Turbo on Ethereum network. Do not send assets over, but the trading will begin on and after 9 p.m. Pacific time on December 11th, 2024. It's going to go down for turbo holders. This is a time that we can say we can pretty much rejoice. I put a video out probably a week ago, and
Yeah. Probably gonna pass on this. Some good information from Crypto Flex. But let's see what else is up here. This is to the moon. And let's go turbo. Let's see here what else we got. I think we did listen to Gas Per. Oh, that's so that man. I thought it was another video. This is the same video, actually. Dang it. So give that a break and see what this video is talking about.
Great content needs a great audience, like Santa Claus. Santa?
No cookies for Santa. So I just got some coffee. So we are live. I might just keep live all night and just keep it running until tomorrow. I'm joking, but I don't know if I could stay
YouTube,
up.
what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today is a day of celebrating, guys, especially if you're a Turbo coin holder. Um, just due to the fact that
That would be us, the Turbo Toad holders, community, the Turbo Toad warriors, the Turbo Toad army. Let's go. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad army, the Turbo Toad warriors, and Turn Up. Let's go. Let's go. It's Turbo Turn Up time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo. That was actually the wrong button. Remember, dance with who brought you to the party. Don't forget that. So I don't know if I should drink too much coffee because then I won't be able to sleep. But I want to be up for a couple more minutes, but I don't want to be up too long.
Coinbase tomorrow at 9 a.m. So that is amazing, guys. Congratulations, all you guys that are holding. Now, before I get into this video, guys, I just have to let you guys know that this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go out and buy Turbo Coin. You need to do your own research on all of these projects. And yeah, again, not a financial advisor. So again, go do your research. But Turbo Coin is a coin that I do like. It's a coin that I did do my personal research on. And I like the coin. I mean, I like the community. I like the fact that they're listed on Binance. I like the fact that now they're getting a Coinbase listing tomorrow. Um, and I think it's really interesting, right? That Turbo picks these very interesting times to list on these exchanges, right? Got picked up on Binance when things were kind of looking a little bit sketchy in the market. And then now, look, it's getting picked up again here on Coinbase while things are looking a little bit sketchy in the market. But in my opinion, I told you guys, man, Coinbase and all these other exchanges, they're looking for these hot coins. They're looking just like we are for this next 10 so that, people know where to buy it. They'll go on their exchange and they can make money on their transaction. Turbo is a big 7,000
Hey
people
guys,
with
what is up? Hope
with
everyone is doing well. Hope
731
everyone's
million
having an
market
amazing
cap.
day because I'm
These
as you.
guys are super bullish. I love this community. They're awesome. Just the creativity behind this community. Actually, the person who created the thumbnails for this video actually is in the community. You guys just see tons of talent, guys. Suddenly, these guys making memes, these guys setting trends, sharing stuff. As you guys could see, Coinbase talking about putting Turbo on there. Um, BitUnix, they're giving away some Turbo. It looks like just all kinds of stuff, man. All kinds of stuff. Turbo always has something going on, and that's why, again, I'm interested and I'm looking at Turbo. I'm definitely paying attention to see what he has um what he has going. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. I don't know what's gonna happen with Turbo. I don't know if it's gonna hit a billion. I don't know if it's gonna go higher. I don't know if it's gonna go lower than where it's at now. It might have already topped out, right? Maybe this was the top of Turbo. Really don't know, guys. The markets are speculative, right? But again, look at this. Look at this chart right here. Again, we did see where, it did something similar and broke back down before it headed up. But I mean, again, we do have a nice cup and handle here. We got some bullish news tomorrow. We're resting nicely on this 3-day chart. Let's check some of these more smaller charts again. 1-day chart looking like we're resting right on that upper Kettner channel. Um, and then our 12-hour chart looking like we actually broke down a little bit. We almost had a retest. We are creating a little bit of a bear flag here, just a little bit of volatility in the market. You guys can see the 4-hour chart looking like they might want to buy up this dip. So, market really split right now. Nobody really knows what's going on. It seems like they don't know whether they're buying it. They don't know whether they're selling it off. This is a project that personally I'm long on. Again, it's not financial advice. I'll even tell you, go out, don't buy anything you see on the channel. Don't even go on Dex Tools. Don't buy this coin. Not financial comments on the video and they're supporting their content creators, which is great. It's especially in these communities are the ones that are, pretty much helping out with letting everybody be aware of the project and stuff like that. So again, but I have no affiliation, just so you guys know too. I have no affiliation with Turbo Coin. Okay. I'm just somebody who is bullish on it, somebody who likes the coin. For a little bit safer plays. Um, Again, I'm not saying Turbo is a crazy play. I'm not saying it's a super safe play. It's definitely going to be a volatile trade, but this is definitely one of the top meme coins I feel like that's being speculated on right now on the Ethereum blockchain. That's at this market cap, like this 730 million market cap. This is solid with the holder count. This is solid under a billion. I mean, I think Turbo could honestly go up. I think Turbo can go way up. I think Turbo can do some big things, man. I mean, Turbo can really shock a lot of people. And again, Binance picking it up, all these different exchanges picking it up. Interesting. What do you guys think? I want to know your price predictions for Turbo Coin. Also, guys, if you want to come trade with your boy Crypto J, all you got to do is share this video over on Twitter at JTalksCrypto, and I'll pick you up to come trade my free Telegram. Also got a Patreon as well if you guys want to come join in and tap in. I got some tools that'll take you up to the next level, guys. We're up on all these AI coins.
Shout out to J Talks Crypto. Pretty interesting information there. It's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment. let the marathon continue. Back to Gasper, see what he's talking about. I low key want to look at every single turbo video to get everybody's opinion on everything. But I'm not going to stay up that long. I'm probably stopping here at Gossip Here because I think I played this video earlier, but I'm not 100% sure.
Usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. What a crazy time to be around. Turbo is doing magic. Turbo is the talk of the day. Turbo.
How long have we waited for this?
Turbo is making people rich.
How long? Day by day, month by month, week by week. And now Turbo is starting to get some of the recognition it deserves. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Somebody, somewhere, anybody, say something, right? Are you guys awake out there? Are you still tuned in? Are you still turbo turning up? Somebody put a like, share, or super chat in the comment. Something. A price prediction, market cap prediction. When do you think they're going to list? Somebody, somewhere, anywhere, anybody say something. It's your main man BTM here, and we're going to get back to Gossip here.
And Turbo is.
I look, he just like saying Gossip here, but I think it's pretty funny. But I do like his accent, and I think he's a pretty good influencer, part of the Turbo Toe team. Turbo Toe turn up. Let's go.
The golden goose here. Guys, I have said it since the beginning. There is something special about Turbo. This $69 AI generated meme is just breaking all resistance lines. Starting from a humbling story, now it's all the way here. And I am always trying to find reasons as to why this thing is going to go up. And today, I actually want to talk about another reason I believe we are going to be getting a lot of money. Okay. And it's to do with the narrative here. The frog, guys, the frog narrative is really pumping. It's always been about the dogs and the cats in the meme coin world. And now the frogs are starting to grow. And I think people are realizing it. People are diversifying as well. Not everyone just wants to lay all their eggs in just one basket, right? They don't just want to go full cats or just dogs. They want to diversify. So guess what? Here it is. Some of you are going to say, "Wow, Turbo's the toad, frogs, toads, same thing, right? Same category here. Pepe, Brad, Pepe Coin again, Apu, Hoppy, some big, big names here. Now, why is this all so popular? Well, people are looking for new narratives. People are trying to get ready for the new altcoin season. And I believe that this is going to be the talk of the day. Yes, I mean, the dogs and the cats are still the strongest. You've got your Shiba Inus, your Dogecoin, and so on, especially the dogs. But let me tell you one thing, okay? You got to look for new opportunities because these were opportunities from the past. And I know they have their own new coins and stuff, but you also have to see where the interest is starting to go. Is this good? Is this bad? Like, there's so much behind it. And I think it's your responsibility to actually take action on this, right? Because as you can see yourselves, exchanges are starting to get into, listing. Pepe's listed everywhere. Turbo got listed everywhere. So it's happening. Volume is kicking in. I'm talking to other people out there, other crypto holders and they're saying like, hey, I'm trying to diversify. I'm looking for different narratives here. Like, I'm gonna buy some coins to do with politics. Uh, I'm gonna go into some animals and so on. Everybody's looking for different opportunities. I think Torbo here has something unique, has something special, and I love the way it's like an AI and meme at the same time. So it gives it that extra edge. On top of it, guys, right now we are just playing the patience game. Okay, I believe 2025 is going to be the golden year when everything explodes. We are ready. We're ticking all the boxes. We know that actually the real gems are the ones that are approaching the $1 billion market cap, but still haven't broken it, because they're all going to be going over billions of dollars. But the nice thing about them is that they have so much room to grow. Like, I've been telling you many times, guys, this thing I believe can go as far as 20 billion market cap, right? It can break as far as that. And some of you are like, no, maybe maximum 10 billion. Even if it does 10 billion, wouldn't you want to see like a 10x or a 15x? Still good money. Considering the risk is very low, FOMO is just boiling. Okay, the fear of missing out. People are just jumping in. They're buying the all-time highs because they don't know if this thing is even going to drop anytime soon. Holders are going up, which is excellent. Okay. I mean, look at this 46K. We are approaching 50K holders. That's the psychological number. And then the next thing, guess what? 100K holders. So it's really establishing itself. Twitter is strong. Socials are really nice. I mean, it's got everything. It's got everything. And if you want to do some due diligence that is important for you, then do it. I mean, do all the checks that you can, right? You can just type in Turbo on any website. You'll see news. You could type it into YouTube. You'll see other key opinion influencers talking about it, right? The KOLs, the important individuals that can actually push it, like Crypto John, for example. Someone like that's got thousands of views. So, as I've said many times, it's up to you to realize that time is not on your side. So, if you are waiting for this special moment for it to just go down to some specific price, forget about it. Okay, you're just gonna miss out. Take the opportunity now. I was screaming at 200 million market cap, at 300, 400, 500, even at 100. I mean, I've been doing this for a few months already when it comes to Turbo. So I'm pretty sure everything that I have said has come into reality. I have made people money. People are satisfied. And we are just playing the patience game for all those that have loaded up. For those that are waiting for some, magical support lines that still haven't loaded up on Turbo, guys, that's risky. But if you're happy with everything, just be patient. It's all going to work out. And it's going to be such a great boost of energy, such a great dopamine effect. It's insane. Okay. But either way, I mean, I am going to be making more videos talking about a potential Robin Hood listing. That would be very nice, and how it could impact Turbo. But as of now, just watch this. Okay, look at this. Look at these charts. I mean, any investor out there is staring at these charts and is like, damn, this thing is moving. I better get in quick. And when Ethereum starts pumping, oof, gosh, it is going to be exciting. But either way, guys, like I always say, I speak a lot of heart, emotions, logic, reality. I'm not here talking about, a special Discord group. Like other influencers like to promote their Discord group for like 3-4 minutes. Like I'm straight facts here. Okay, straight talk. And that's why I believe you should join this channel, subscribe, turn that notifications bell on.
So I suspect that's the last video. I don't want to hold you guys up all night. Plus, not a lot of price movement yet. So I guess we'll kick back on in the morning. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. What is the price prediction? What do you think it's going to reach in the morning or tomorrow when they do list it? If they list it, because there's a mention about liquidity, if they have the proper or adequate liquidity. So I might think they might pull a fast one on us and wait until Friday or Thursday before they do list it. Current market cap is 774.7. Current price is still 11 cents. So we're still teetering around that 11-cent mark. Let me see here if we can go to the. Let's look at the DEX first. Let's see what's going on in the actual volume. And I guess we can look at Trader View. Let's see what we come. And see what we come up with the DEX first. And maybe I can open up Trader View while we're waiting. So on the DEX, waiting for the DEX to pull up. Let's see here what we got. Bum. Oh, so we are building volume on the hour chart. We'll go to the 15-minute chart. I'll look at some transactions. Looks like there's a lot of selling going on. Let's see, are we looking at everybody? We are. And let me see. Buys and sales. So it looks like there's some, what are those, dolphins? Yeah, some dolphins selling off. And they're selling too early. It's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But why aren't you guys waiting until after the listing? That's weird. Wonder why they're selling now and not waiting until after tomorrow in the Coinbase listing. That's kind of strange. They would be selling off at this point in the venture. Yeah, it looks like there is some selling going on. We got a lot of red on the 5-minute chart. And of course, when we start doing something, this comes up. Let me see. Can we just get the chart? Actually, I think there was a. They don't have to log. See if we can log in real quick. See here. That kind of defeats the purpose to log in. We got to go over here anyway. What happened there? So the DEX looks like the day chart. Why are we looking at the day chart? Look at the 15-minute chart. And looks like we're holding above the staying flat along the resistance line on the 15-minute chart. Same thing on the 5-minute chart. Let's go to the 2-hour chart. Same thing, still holding this resistance line, kind of came up, broke the resistance, and now we went back down. And it looks like with a massive amount of volume leaving, and the RSI came down. It was up around 60, 70. Wait, 60. Earlier today, what's today? Yesterday, came down. RSI is coming back up. We are building volume. That's on the 1-hour chart. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart to the MACD cross. We added volume. And another MACD cross, and we started to lose volume. So look at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, MACD cross. Another MACD cross, but we're losing volume. Losing a lot of volume, actually. So that is something to keep an eye on through the night and in the morning. And we'll look at the transactions. Should see a lot of selling, which we do. Refreshing. What the hell, mail? So let's see if it ever comes back up. I don't know why it refreshed again. I was scrolling down. I didn't hit the refresh side. Up 2%. There we go. So it looked like pretty much nothing but sales in the last hour or so. What is that? 0, 100 hours, if that's a thing, and 2,300 hours. So currently, let me see here. Looking at the volume decreasing. 15-minute chart volume going down. Down 2% in the last hour. Current holders is, come back to that, 774.7. 720. And the amount of holders is 47,285. So let's see here. Had a bit of a sell-off. Check Twitter real quick. Look at the minute chart. Minute chart, the RSI came down. It was up 79 around midnight, and it came down in the 40s, came back up to 50s, and now it is down again in the 30s. What is this? About 10 minutes ago, we were down really low for RSI, 27. But then again, looks like a bit of a sell-off going here. I don't know, in it, a bit of a sell-off in it. So I don't know what's going on or why they're selling when you could have waited. See, somebody bought earlier. Actually, that was a new buy. Let's see. Check the buying activity. I got click the thing twice. That's weird. So at midnight, somebody bought 13. Somebody bought 33 million, 33,000, 18,000, 33,000, 15,000, 38,000, 1,000, 10,000, 20,000. So let's look at the sales for the same couple of days. So I don't see anybody selling in tens of thousands yet. Okay. Didn't say anything. So this guy sold 10,000, 19,000 actually. 6,000, 12,000, 9,000, 11,000, 9,000, 21,000. Wow, it's coming down for us to scoop it up. Somebody sold 30,000 before the Coinbase listing? I don't know what's going on with these guys. But I don't want to hold you all night. I just wanted to check the DEX tools. Thanks for joining. Thanks for logging back in and watching the entire video. And thanks for supporting me on this journey. I'm so glad you guys are here with me on this journey to get rich or die trying. No, I'm playing. I'm on this journey to holding turbo. I'm glad I met a lot of interesting people, a lot of smart people, a lot of people deep into crypto to help me out along on this journey. This has been a very humbling experience, but I am glad you guys were here with me through the entire journey. So I don't know what tomorrow holds, but it's going to be exciting. And I'll see you guys at 11:30 Central Standard Time, Texas time, or 11:30 Central Standard Time. Either way it go, this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Thanks for joining. Thanks for like, sharing, subscribing, and super chatting, and keeping up with the videos. But I need to take a nap before tomorrow. Hopefully, there's a big surprise in the morning. Christmas came early. It looked like they was trying to cancel Christmas, but we are live. But again, it's Black Tiger Miner signing out. Make it a good day on purpose tomorrow. But like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining. Remember to let's always get back to the money so you can help me rebuild the community. And as always, stay dangerous. Miner out.